Right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Bonk. Before we do that, we're looking at the markets, especially the top 100 coins. Pretty much the entire market right now is down because as we started off this new week, we did see Bitcoin start off on a negative note. Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor retracement, which obviously has impacted the entire market. But, I don't think that's anything to worry about. I think we will see a good month coming up in December. Bitcoin is still at $37,000. So, of course, we'll take it one step at a time, but let's talk about Bonk right now. If we're looking at the price as of November 27th, it's still about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 379. Down 1.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap 231.2 million and the 24-hour trading volume $30.5 million. So not bad. Of course, we're not seeing $300 million market cap right now. I know a lot of people are waiting for that, but I think that is closer than a lot of people really think. But before we get further into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So KuCoin just 2 hours ago, guys, has come out and announced this major thing, and that is, of course, new listing. Gets listed on KuCoin, which will be tomorrow at 10 UTC. And this is really exciting because KuCoin is a massive exchange, and usually if you are a crypto OG, we do tend to see coins that get listed on KuCoin first, then end up on Binance. But speaking about Binance, we did see Binance make that announcement regarding the futures listing, so they kind of beat the KuCoin team as far as the spot listing goes. But this is massive. This is really nice to see. KuCoin, one of the exchanges I've been using since pretty much the longest time, for the longest time I know, they have gems. They definitely have gems. So this listing is massive, but if you are holding Bonk, I would not recommend you holding it on any exchange, no matter how good the exchange is. Put your Bonk in a wallet, and that's something I want you guys to really focus on. You never want to be leaving your hard-earned money on a centralized exchange, and that's something you really want to make sure you're not doing. But let's take a look at the price. Before we look at the Bonk's price, you guys can see BTC, like I said, seeing a little bit of a minor retracement. We were chilling at 37,400 yesterday, and of course saw a little bit of a minor retracement, which is something I'd even projected yesterday, because of course during the weekend we do tend to see more manipulation because CME futures are closed, and we weren't seeing too much manipulation as far as on the weekend side of things go. But as we did start off Monday, we did see a little bit of a drop. But let's take a further look at Bonk, see what is happening and what we could be expecting. So of course, due to this KuCoin announcement, we haven't really seen Bonk retesting its highs, and that's something people will come out and bring up. And before you do that, I will get to that right now. So if we're looking at the price from the current price levels, in order for a Bonk to hit a new yearly high, not a new yearly high, a new all-time high, it's a 44% move from the current price levels. So it's quite a big move. So, after a KuCoin announcement, why is the price not moving up to that level? Reason as to why I think this is the case is because of the fact that, this massive news, of course, was due to Solana ecosystem hype. A lot of people are getting excited. That's a huge factor as well. But I think somewhere around here, KuCoin was also purchasing Bonk, which did lead up, the price to go all the way up to this level where we have seen it go. So, these are some factors we need to consider. So what's exactly next? That's the question that you might have. So basically what you're looking at is we did see the price retest this support line, and remember how important this support line is. We did see a bounce out of this zone. So if you did manage to have a buy or replaced them around this 35.21 zone, you did see the price of Bonk go up about 13%. So this should give you guys a better indication as to why this support line is so important. And of course, this bounce that we have seen is due to the fact that KuCoin just announced this about 2 hours back. So that is something that we do need to consider. But I am projecting that Bonk does have a lot of legs in itself, especially now that we're seeing the likes of bigger centralized exchanges coming in and listing it. The hype factor is definitely there, and of course being the coin on Solana, people come out and say Samo has the first mover advantage, but I think Bonk will be able to pull something bigger than that coin. Just because the times we're in and when it was launched, the way it was airdropped, that speaks a lot for itself. So things are looking quite good, but right now we do have quite a bit of resistance coming up in our way. If we're able to clear the resistance at this 39.76 zone, I think there is a strong chance we could start pushing up to this 45.88 mark, and of course after that a new all-time high. So really nice. The charts are looking quite bullish. We will see tomorrow what happens, but let me know down below what you guys think and what makes you so bullish on Bonk. I really think it's here to battle with the big boys. Everything is aligning, but we're gonna still have to take it one step at a time. But let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.